Hello. Alright, this week in my classic planner, we're going to go with I've got this really cute under the sea kit from a creative couple. I believe it was like a sampler I got at a meetup. So it's kind of like a mini kit, but I thought I'd give it a try. So to go with it, I am using these two washies. They're just Recollections. I've got these two clips that I got off a buy sell trade board, so I'm not sure who made them. And then I've got this mermaid and the unicorn mermaid by Pretty Planner Pretty World. So we'll use those. And then by Three Tiny Bows, I do PR for her. I've got the Water the Plants, I got the Trash Day, and the birthday stickers. And the code for her is TTB Vanessa to save 20%. And by Brianna Nicole Designz, I do PR for her. Make sure you follow my Instagram, which is at Vanessa76, to see when she's in a sale. So I've got all the icons. I've got the Say Hello to Clean minis. They're little aprons. I got Jerry the giraffe. He's paying bills. He's going food shopping. And he's buying groceries. So I think you could use like this one for food and this one like for the trip to Walmart if you're just buying papers. I got this grocery basket. I probably won't use these since I pulled out the Jerry's. Got the buy cat food, the shave, the colorful TNs, the busy doing nothing, the get crafty, the coffee stickers, the TVs, the dishes, the I don't feel very worky today, the kitty cat faces, some other different colors of TNs, and the Bubbles doing her hair. So I've got all the icons to mark all the stuff I need to do this week. So with that, we'll go ahead and get started. Ooh, looks like my nail polish is leaving a few little lines. So this kit did not have date covers, which is alright. I figured I would just leave the black dates on there and I'd just leave them alone. So I'm just gonna washi all this because it does change where July is Sunday. It does kind of change colors there in the middle of the layout. But I thought these starfish would be a cute washi to use with this spread. And I don't think it has like these sidebar trackers like I use for meals and stuff. Matter of fact, I really didn't look to see how many trackers it has at all, so might have to kind of make some, which is alright. Because I can make some with this little star washi if I need to. Alright, and since there is no bottom washi, I figured I'd just kind of make my own. By putting this down. I'm going to start over here with the mermaids because that one, she's only a half a mermaid. So I don't want a half a girl on my page. Yeah, it's okay to carry like a little starfish in half, but I don't want to have a little half a person. Little bits of washi stuck to my fingernails. And then we'll put the starfish right back on top. So I think that looks cute. Alright, so I was able to get a whole girl here. Hopefully it'll end right. Good. Yes, it will. So I don't have to cut anybody in half. Helps if I get the washi cutter instead of the other roll of washi tape. Alright. Then we'll run the stars right across the top. And I think that is cute. So that's how I will set this up. So with the kit, we'll start with the full boxes. I think I kind of want these blue whales kind of up here in the corner. It's going to be kind of a little bit busy there. But that's alright. I'll know next time that might want a little bit more solid background when it's a little bit busier. Alright, I'm going to fold this in half. I think I'll put my check boxes up top. Since it is already so busy, I'll kind of match them to the box down below. Well, I don't have a little fishy one. Alright, we'll come back and see which one's left. I think it's going to be the little whales. So they'll not quite all match, but it will all be okay. Yep, so it'll be the little whales right there to go with the fishes. Alright. So I will use these boxes to mark my work. It's also my nephew's birthday party this weekend. His birthday's actually next week, but we're having his party this weekend. Alright. So I'll use some of these little half boxes here. I'm going to change them up a bit because I got quite a few little things going on this week too. So I'll mark like the special events down here this week. Alrighty. We'll add our weekend border right here. And Thursday is payday. Wow, that got really crooked. So we'll put payday there. Alrighty, so let's do our side trackers. Alright. So I think we'll use this one for meals. And we've got these little ones right here. So we'll just put them real close together. Then we'll just trim this little heart off of this one. And that way we have 7 hearts. And I think we're going to make, so we'll do this as the to-do list. And I think if we just put 2 there, that's probably sufficient. Then we're going to make our trackers right here. I do use 3 trackers. So what I'm going to do here is this washi tape. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if I cut it right, I can get 7 little stars. And then I'll just mark those off for the days of the week. It's cute and it's functional. Alright, so we'll mark those off. Then I had a little Sharpie up here, but I don't see one. So that's alright. So we'll just go down here at the bottom. We'll do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And that'll just carry on up through. So this is to do. This is meals. This is going to be my steps. My morning meds. And this will be my work. Alright, so I think I got everything wrote in that I want to write in extra. So before we put these little stickers away, let's see what else we want to do here. So I'm going to use these little seaweeds. And I think this whale is super cute. A little blue shell. Put the little green jellyfish right here. Oh, Sunday is my plan day, so we will use the planner. And I've got this one little shell sticker. Alright, so I think that is everything I want to use off of that. Alright, so let's fill in all the icons. So I'm going to use Jerry on Saturday. Here's Jerry paying bills, because I'll do that on Thursday. I always do cleaning on Sunday. I thought I had another Jerry. I must have set him down somewhere. Yeah, there he is. I'll probably go grocery shopping Saturday too. Get those. Do need to do my hair. Yeah, spend a little extra time with this crazy kitty of mine. Because if you watch the last video, as you can see, she wants attention like she never gets any. And I did not feel very worky yesterday at all. I haven't really watched TV. Monday, I do like my coffee. Saturday, I will use a Get Crafty because I will probably try to make a birthday card for my nephew. And Friday this week's going to kind of be like my relaxed day. I bought cat food last week. Alright, so Monday, I gotta water the plants. Thursday and Sunday. Gotta remember to put the trash out on Sunday. Alright. And the 29th is my girl's birthday. And then I've got a birthday party on Sunday. So I will fill this in. I got a couple other things I need to add in here, but I don't have stickers for those at the minute. I just thought these little mermaids were super cute. Alrighty, so there is my spread for the week. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.